What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn all this into this gorgeous bubble heart leather cord necklace. Let's get right into it. First we're going to start by closing off the leather cord by grabbing a crimp end and inserting the leather cord into the crimp end. It should look something like this. Then you want to grab your round nose plier, press down. Then I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to repeat that same thing on the opposite side to ensure that all sides of the crimp end in the middle section are squeezing down on the leather cord and holding it from snapping off. Do a little test and make sure that it's fully crimped in there and it's not going to slip out. You can also apply a tiny dab of glue onto the leather before crimping it as well. It'll just add one more step of extra security to ensure it's not going to slip out. Next, you can go ahead and grab your cutter and cut it at your preferred length. Repeat the same thing we did to the first side to the opposite side as well by inserting the crimp end onto the leather cord and crimp down the middle section of the crimp end, turn it around, and then crimp it as well on all sides to ensure that it's fully secure on there and it's not going to slip out. Once you have your crimp ends attached to your leather cord, you can go ahead and grab your pinch bail, and we're going to use this to open it up and hook onto the glass bubble heart. As you can see, the pinch bail has 2 teeth, and those teeth are what you're going to crimp down into the hole of the heart to ensure that it holds it in place and acts as a jump ring, but with a cuter aesthetic. I've hooked one side of the pinch bail on the heart, and I'm gonna go in with my set of pliers and close it up. It should look something like this. Once you have the pinch bail on your heart, you can go ahead and slide that onto your leather cord. Lastly, what you'll want to do is add your clasp of choice. Grab your set of pliers, open up your jump ring, grab your toggle bar and attach it to the end of one side of the crimp end. Close your jump ring up. When you are closing your jump ring, you want to hear a slight clicking noise like that, and then pass it and bring it back to where they meet. That will ensure that the jump ring is fully closed and there's no opening left behind. For the second part, you can go ahead and grab your jump ring with your set of pliers again and open it up. Hook your clasp onto the ring and onto the other side of the crimp end. Close your jump ring up. Hear that clicking noise. Pass the ring, and then come back to where they meet. And that's it guys, that's all you need to do to create this gorgeous bubble heart necklace. The hearts are available in so many different colors for you to choose from. In this case I used the larger size, but we have 2 sizes that you can use. Be sure to check out our previous YouTube videos if you want to learn more jewelry making tips. Thanks for watching guys.